Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a collab video with none other than naturally Tanya _89. So before I get into this video and what this video is about, I wanted to let you guys know a little bit about Tanya. Tanya, she does natural hair videos as myself, beauty, skincare, and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in any of that, and if you like my channel, we do similar niches, definitely go check her out. Outside of YouTube, I do talk to her, so hopefully we said one day we'll meet. It's funny because our birthdays are like a couple of days apart, so it just makes sense why we gel so well. So crossing our fingers, but until then, we will continue talking via social media, and I will leave the link and everything to her channel. So I didn't want to make this video too long. I did do my brows and like miscellaneous things like foundation and everything already, so that this video wouldn't be like a 20-minute video. We decided on using products from the Crayon Case. As you guys can see, I actually opened my box way sooner, so I have opened it, but I have not used the products. The Crayon Case is actually a black-owned business, a makeup brand, and I actually never tried anything from the Crayon Case. I always thought their packaging was cool because it reminded me of like when I was in elementary school when I used notepads and crayons and things of that nature. So when you open the box, though, it comes like this, and it says the Crayon Case with their link, of course, on there. So that was nice. And when it was packaged, I'll probably leave a screenshot on this side or this side, but they did put both palettes in a encasing, but I did take it out because I unboxed it. So we're gonna be trying to do 2 makeup looks. Then when you open it up, what I love about this, it has a mirror. I totally forgot because I had my mirror on the side, but I can use this mirror, and it comes with the clear casing. But these always seem to fall out, so after a while I just let them fall, because if you're not like paying attention, you forget about it. But it does come with the clear cover, so just so you know that it hasn't been touched. And then as you guys can see, so this is different shades of orange, and then they have some browns as well. I wanted to get orange because I think I only have one orange color in my stash of like makeup. So as you guys can see, there's different oranges, like a light orange, this orange, browns, and glitter browns. So I'm gonna start with this, and then I'm gonna switch over to the green palette, so for my first look. But before I do that, I'm gonna actually do this trick that I've been doing, and that's concealing my eyes with my concealer, my e.l.f. Camo concealer. Might need this actually to see. Gonna go ahead and blend that in. Don't know what color I want to try. I think I'm gonna start slowly with the light color. I wish they had names for the colors, but I don't see any shades in the colors. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead with this color. Hope you guys can see that, and start. That will be like my first color, just starting it off. Again, I'm just doing as I go. No makeup guru, so whatever I come up with is what I come up with. Okay, so this is what it is so far. It's a nice, like, I like this color because it's like a nice brown, yet it's a little brownish orangish, but it's a nice color to it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with which one do I want to go with? Do I want to go with this bright orange or this one? I don't know. I think I'm gonna go in with this orange. Let me just switch brushes. I think I'm gonna go in. I'm trying to see which one matches more. This one matches more, I feel like, with my top. So I'm gonna go in with that one. It's a really bright orange, so as you guys can see, this one is really bright. And I'm gonna just do, again, I'm just doing this as I go, so whatever I come up with, we will see. But so my eyeshadow look will probably come out really basic. Now the pigment on here, it's okay. I feel like I have to put a lot for me to start seeing it. I'm not seeing much on my skin. So either, I don't know if it's the brush I'm using. So That's the only thing I'm noticing right now. I don't know, this color is not as pigmented. I expected it to be like, wow. I mean, I see it. You can see it, but it's not crazy. I mean, I guess that's a good thing maybe, but okay, I lied. Now it's starting to really come out, so I just had to use a little bit more on this side. Okay, so look one is really simple. Like, I'm not doing anything crazy. This is it. So just get a close up for you guys. Something simple. This is like a quick beat. You don't want to do too much. Like me, I'm very simple with it. So just this. Done. Voila. So I'm gonna now use the green palette, and we're gonna see the Notepad palette, and I'm gonna finish off the look. So now I'm gonna go ahead with the Notepad, the green edition. So it looks the same but green. I like the green shades in here. I think I have about like 2 green shades in another palette, but not much. So I like that this has a variety, as you guys can see. It also is pretty similar to the orange one, which has like a sparkly base. The natural undertone ones, like the ones I tried in the orange one, and then the green one as well. So I don't know what color. Orange and green is something really different. So I don't know which color I'm gonna go in with, but this is a tough one. I think I'm going to do with the glitter because I think that won't mess it up too much. And I think I'm going to go in with this darker green. It looks like, what's that color? Leafy green, I would say. Just to set off the orange. And that's how I'll make it a second look. Not going to go in with too much, but just to give some sparkle. So I'm just gonna do it on the corner of my eye instead of the whole look. I really do love this. This is definitely a plus because not all my palettes have the mirror on it. So I don't have to hold the extra mirror. I can do multi-seamlessly. Is that the word? I can do it at the same time. I can see while applying it, and also just instead of holding the palette in one hand and holding the mirror on the other hand. So this is definitely a plus for me. I may have messed up this side a little bit, but here, we're just going to go with it. Alright, so that will be my second look. I look like a carrot. That's what it reminds me of, a carrot. I don't want to do too much to mess up the look, but just use the green. So this is what this shimmer green will look. Overall, like, I do like the colors. So just to show you guys one more time. This is the orange and the green. I definitely will do more looks with it, but again, do more looks with it in the future. But again, I don't want to make this video super long, so I just combined the palettes. But I could have definitely did 2 looks, and I'm punched for time, to be honest. Yeah. So that's my 2 looks. I just transformed my look by adding the green to it to make it 2 looks. But I'm sure I could have did something more, but. Yeah, so this is the orange palette again, and this is the green palette. Definitely interested in trying more of the colors, and yeah, and making different looks with them. But I love, like I said, I love that they have the mirrors on them, and it's really compact because you can even take this. What's the ounce on here? 0.67. Yeah, so you can actually take this too if you're traveling. You can put this in your carry-on, so that's another plus too if you're a person who likes to wear makeup when you travel. I generally don't. Because it's just, normally I go to a hot place, so it makes no sense. My makeup will be sweating off. But yes, this is definitely travel friendly because it's small, compact, and you can take it, and it's under the ounce limit, so it works. But yeah, so that's the crayon case. Hope you guys enjoyed my review. Nothing bad here. I do like it. I like the colors in here. I'm definitely interested in trying more of the colors, and I love how it blended well especially when I tried the that neutral color. As I told you guys here, like both palettes have those two neutral colors in the top right. I mean the bottom right. So I like that, and then it makes the look come out nice. So yeah, that's my review. That's my thoughts. I like the look that I created. Very quick and simple. Like I told you guys, I'm really basic. I have nothing in mind. I just make a look as I go. But hopefully you guys enjoyed my look. Definitely go check out Tanya's video to see the looks that she came up with her palettes. I'm interested in seeing her video as well, so I will watch that today when this drops. And anyway, make sure you like, comment, you subscribe, hit the notification button, subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.